In this video, we will explore API to API integration using eZintegrations. We will cover creating various operations, data sources, data targets, and integration bridges to facilitate seamless data transfer between different APIs. To begin the demo and build an operation, I'll start by choosing Humanoid as the data source and business object for the users. Upon selecting my source, the eZintegrations platform assists me in identifying the API, which was already prepared. To check the response, I simply need to click on the test button. Let's move on to operations for single line to multi-line. I received single line JSON data from a source, and to convert it into multiple records, I'm using the single line to multi-line operation. To learn how to insert code, you can refer to a tutorial video, which will appear for every step in the build process. The video example that appears on the right shows you how to insert code. Returning to the demo, you'll see how to break the records based on the key name shown here, Bizdata_dataset_response data. Returning to the demo, you'll see how to break the records based on the key name shown here. To add the current date and time to my records, I will use the today timestamp operation. I'll specify the date-time format and the key name that will contain the value of the date and time. To add a new key-value pair to my record, I will use the append operation. In this case, I am appending the payload that I want to pass to our target. This is the final operation, and it will be added as a new key-value pair. Moving on, I have chosen Venus HRMS system as my new target, with employees as the selected business object. Upon selecting the target API, eZintegrations quickly discovered the API, which is already available. To demonstrate authorization, see how all the parameters required for integration are present, except for the username and password. To authenticate the integration, we will provide a necessary username and password, and refresh the token body. Initially, we will test the API using a sample record and verify target. Then we will pass the payload that was appended in the last operation. To achieve this, we will provide a string interpolated value for the payload as shown, %, payload, %. To achieve this, we will provide a string interpolated value for the payload as shown. For better comprehension, we will name the bridge API to API. We will set the time interval in seconds to determine how long it should take for the pipeline to respond. In this case, we want to receive a response after 5 minutes, so we're setting the value to 300 seconds. Afterward, we will submit the integration bridge by clicking on the Submit button. The submission will redirect me to the integration bridge main menu, where I can start receiving responses by clicking on the Start button. It's that easy. Visit our website at bizdata360.com. If you'd like to talk to a representative, call us at US area code 650-283-1644.